Lord Orochimaru.
What was that? En Oyashiro's asked for you.
Nice to meet you. It's been a long time, Mr. Orochimaru.
The man creating the exploding humans, Fushin. Did Fushin have crimson eyes?
One of the kids who ran away with Fushin did have eyes like that. Other kid was from the Chinoike clan.
The Chinoike clan?
The Chinoike clan possessed the Kekkei Genkai known as the Ketsuryugan. The whole clan were banished to a place called Hell Valley.
You may be able to learn something more if you go to Hell Valley.
What? You don't have to talk.
I want to borrow your power. Fushin. You got it, boss. Sure thing. So you want me to make this Sasuke guy think that I'm going after him? Is that it?
As I thought. Show me your true face. Were you afraid to meet En Oyashiro?
Now you're looking at who I really am.